What is good, y'all? It is your boy Emiliano Perez. Crack me this. Also, you may better know me as Thugalicious Prime. Let's go. And today we're gonna be doing a chemistry video for the Big Z herself. Big SEH Z. Okay, I got confused the two. Whatever. Anyway, today we're gonna be talking about comparing mole conversions to exchange money between countries and explain how conversion factors at exchange rates. Alright, with the grand GBT at my disposal because one, I do not memorize this, and second, I am using this to help, not cheating. Alright, crinks. Alright, okay. I also got my notes for parte uno. I know it's the page with the giant 6-7 on it. Uh, there it is, right there. All right. Okay, it's gonna be quite annoying with the phone on one side and the notes on the other side and the camera in the center, given that I have to like switch between like I got some FNAF type stuff. All right. Okay. So, according to thy notes, it says here that a mole is approximately 6.20 x 10 to the power of 23, or you can easily just simplify to 6 times x 20, whatever. Yeah. And here it has an example: 4 moles divided by 1 times 6 times, I think you guys get the point. For the most part, I have no idea what I'm looking at out here. But it did say to what was it again? Or to compare mole conversions to exact money between countries and explain. Okay, with the grand GBT, it gives us a couple examples. I'm not gonna use the first thing it gave me. Yeah, hold up. Are they not playing this out? I'm just going on a whim. Okay, right. Gave me an example. It gave me I do know that 18 grams. No, I do know that water is 18 moles. Yeah, 18 grams of moles. And no, I clearly remember that squadron. Okay, I do not rely on the GBT for everything. Okay. Okay, I got some more notes. These are some of the second parts, but they can still work out. Okay, so 18 grams of H2O divided by 1 mole. I know the math. I know that grams cancel each other out or something. I know the math. I know what to do. Of course, I don't know the exact steps, but I know the formula. I remember the stuff. I just don't know in what order. I remember the stoichiometry. I remember that assignment. Um, till the arts, it's just like, I don't know, like a 92.1 USD or something like that. I don't know. It's a big example. Okay, it's good. We're just gonna use the big P, the phone, the big PH, if you will. Okay, I have 3 more videos to do of this. Okay. Okay. I. So 1 mole of H2O is 18 grams of H2O. We can write this as 18.0 grams of H2O divided by 1 mole of 0.22 or 1 mole H2O, 18 grams or something, whatever. And then we get, I don't know, with some, I don't know, with some chemistry magic of 0.92 euros, or which by the way is actually kind of incorrect. A euro is actually 85, not 95 or 92 like the GBT is claiming. So remember, okay, so put that at the back of your brain. Okay. C. Cancel straight units, replace with number of desired units, keep quality chemistry equivalents, compare worked examples with explanations, how many grams of 2.2 moles of water, I don't know where that number came from, start moles, then grams of H2O, I don't know why we're using chemicals, I mean molecules, given that water is a molecule. The final answer is 45 grams of H2O. Oh, hold up! I'm actually kind of stupid right now. Okay. I finally get it. I've been looking at the example, not the actual problem. Okay, so no, I use the example as like a basis. Then, for example, $2.50 is equivalent to 18 euros in one USD. The USD cancels, the euros remain, the value is preserved. Okay, I think I'm low key stupid. But yeah, um, think of more conversions the same way you think about exchanging money when you travel. The math of logic. Okay. Oh, I finally get it now. I was low key doing this kind of blind, going in blind, but I get it. Okay, I get it. The exam way how you convert things to another thing is the exam way you do money. Yo, I think I dragged this for way too long. But yeah. Um. Um. Oh. But anyway, gang, I think that's it for today's video. Thugalicious Prime signing out. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on the Thugalicious Primus. I'm going to be continuing on that electrical generator very on soon. Hopefully, I need more materials. I need some latex and a metal dome. But for the most part, we are Gucci Squadrina. I hope you all like it. Yo, Big Z, the Big Z, K. I hope you give me that honey for real, King. Or mean Queen, yeah. Anyway, it's been a lovely day or nighttime or whatever. I cooked myself 2 eggs today, actually. It's been the first time since I've actually cooked myself something. It's 2 eggs plus 3 potatoes. Yeah, it was pretty good. It was kind of stressful. I have to go back and forth to actually cook and stuff, but whatever. Yeah. Okay.